Tactogram. Fariz FADHLILLAH. Fariz FADHLILLAH is a researcher and designer of assistive technology, which is the development of devices that assists people with limited functional capabilities due to disabilities, such as wheelchairs or prosthetic limbs. The artist's research focuses on globally acceptable designs based on physical aesthetics as a solution to visual problems that may emerge in the future. The Braille blocks installed on the floor of the indoor exhibition hall are a system for universal sense of direction and mobility. More specifically, a tactogram, which the artist has been designing since 2018, based on the information system structure that visually impaired people need in public spaces. The artist's work invites the viewer to imagine a future in which everyone can enjoy everything in public equally, regardless of their nationality or disability.